Welcome to cooking cheap, easy, and tasty meals. I'm going to make salmon with an avocado salsa. First thing I'm going to do is make the salsa. So I've cut the avocado in half, and I am going to get some cubes of it. Spots we're going to have to clean up, but in general it looks pretty good. You could use a spoon to make this a little easier, but I figure I might as well do it this way rather than messing up something that has to be washed. So all right, now let's take a look at, there's a piece that doesn't look that good. We'll cut a little off of that one. Cut that one in half. Cut that one in half. Maybe half again. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to add some tomato. I just cut some grape tomatoes in half. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Add some onion and some cilantro. I'm going to mix this up a little bit. I'm going to add some lime juice. I have a lime press. I guess I should use that. Probably be more successful. Okay, that's about a tablespoon of lime juice. I'm going to add. Stir it up. We're going to serve that with our salmon. I'll put that aside, cover it up, and put it in the refrigerator. Now I'm going to make a spice mixture for my salmon. Start off with a little olive oil, a couple tablespoons. I'm going to put some onion powder and cumin, some garlic, some salt and pepper, and some chili powder. Just a little bit of chili powder, just to give it a little heat. Then we'll mix that all up. Now I'm going to cook my salmon. I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter in to melt. And add a little olive oil. I'm going to take my pieces of salmon and dip them into this. And I'm going to lay it in here. Take my next piece, lay it in here. We're going to let this cook for 5 or 6 minutes per side. And then we'll serve it with the avocado salsa. I'm also going to have one piece of pita bread that I'm going to break in half and toast to share. Turn this piece over. Supposedly salmon is done at 145 degrees. We are not there yet. Getting there. That piece is ready. And that piece is ready. Both pieces are finished. Now I'm going to serve this avocado salsa on top. I'm going to take all the tomatoes, since my wife does not like tomatoes. And then I'm going to take hers and give her just the avocado portion. Now you could also have baked the salmon 12 to 15 minutes in the oven. We end up with 2 plates of salmon. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us a like. Thank you.